Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to Vlogging It All. So it's been a while since we've made an actual like vlogging video. The channel has kind of just been little video compilations of us going to different places, doing different things, and that's really all I've been filming. I haven't been filming a lot on this channel or my other channel. I know we're months and months into this whole COVID deal and all that stuff, but it kind of has kept us home. We haven't been doing a lot, haven't been going a lot of places. The little things that we do, we're very cautious with it, or at least we try to be cautious with it. And like I said, for the most part, we just stay at home. And because we stay at home, there's really not a lot of content to be filmed. You know, it's just us playing, us watching TV, going outside, going for walks, nothing major. Julia's still at an age right now where she's entertained fairly easily, so I don't have to do a lot to keep her entertained, but we do have fun during the day. Today is a nice day. It's in the low 70s right now, and we're actually, Julia's back there with me. She's just sitting there watching, trying to figure out what Daddy's doing. We're driving out to the lake. We live right down the street from a lake, and we really don't ever come out here. There's a little spot that I'm going to right now. I'm going to see how it looks, and it's a spot that I've taken the dogs out to, let them run around, let them play, but kind of just want to get out of the house and do something different. So that's what we're going to do. Hopefully have her play out there for a little bit, maybe take a couple little pictures and just kind of wear her out, so that whenever her mom gets off work, we can relax and she'll go to bed at a decent hour. So give me 1 second. Well, it'll be a second for you guys. I still got to drive a minute. In 1 second, we'll be at the lake. So we made it out here to my little spot that I like to come to. It's been more than a year. Say hi. Are you awake? It's been more than a year since I've come out here, and you can see the water behind me. So all of this area right here used to extend out, and this was kind of like a little mini beach out here, and it's all, I don't want to say flooded, it's just full now, and it doesn't look nowhere near as nice as what it used to. All of this over here, where am I at? All of that, it's really hard to see because there's very little of it. All that dead stuff used to be all green, pushing all the way out that way. All this water right here, like this was all green, and then going all of that way, all of that was green, and everything is just dead out here. But we're still gonna hang out for a little bit, just kind of look around and just hang out and get out of the house. What are you doing? Does it feel good out here? Yeah, it feels good, right? You gotta hear them. Yeah. No, we don't want that bee around us. It feels good, right? See if y'all can hear this. What are you doing? Grace, you cleaning out Daddy's truck? Yeah? You get the sticks and throw them out for me? Grace, where'd you go? Will you throw the sticks out for me? Let me see. Nice, calm, quiet day. This is kind of what I like, kind of what I wanted out of this. Just get her out of the house. There's birds flying around. There was ducks swimming. There's a dead deer back there. But get her outside. I don't want her to just be cooped up inside all day long. Let me see. And she's cleaning out my truck for me. Throw them. Throw the sticks. There you go. Cleaning out Daddy's truck. Throw another one. There you go. Another one. Got a little helper already. Is that your monkey? Is that a monkey? Yeah, what is that? What is it? Yeah, what is it? Awa. See all the awa? Yeah, it's way over there too. Where are the birdies? Where are the birdies? You don't know? I don't know either. They were over there, they flew away. Yeah. You already ate all of those snacks? Huh? You already ate all of them? There was like 8. There was like 8 snacks. Your mouth is dirty. Were they good? Yeah? You can get some water?
Yeah.
What is it? Huh? What? Is that a rock? Yeah. Can I have some, Awa? Can I have some? Thank you. Me? Hey, are you almost ready to go? Come on. You almost ready to go? We'll go see Mama. You want to go see Mama? Okay, let me get this from you. Let me get our stuff together and we can leave, okay? Okay, kiss. Thank you. So we're leaving now. Its terrain isn't horrible by any means, but I got a 2-wheel drive truck. I don't go off-roading all the time. This isn't like a full-on actual work truck. So taking my 2-wheel drive truck out here, this is about where we max out on the road on what we can do. There's a pretty big rut back there. We're headed back now. We had fun just hanging out, just to get out of the house. We spent about 30-45 minutes out here. I just wanted Julia to come outside and see the birds, and we didn't get to see no fish, but she saw a dead deer and just a bunch of other random stuff.